If you are a structural engineer using STAAD.Pro for RCC design, you are well aware of the native limitations in visualizing reinforcement. You run a analysis, you finish the design, and then you spend your time double-clicking members one by one just to see how much reinforcement is actually required. Or worse, you are scrolling through hundreds of pages of output file. On the other hand, ETABS shows reinforcement for all members in single screen. In contrast, standard STAAD workflows rely on interpreting discrete tabular data. Well, that ends today. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am showing you a new software. This is BeamUI. BeamUI is a specialized visualization tool that solves exactly one problem, but it solves it perfectly. It takes your STAAD design results and visualizes the required area of reinforcement STI directly on the 3D model. No more double clicking, no more output tables, just a clear 3D view of your steel demand exactly where you need it. Before I show you the workflow, why does visual reinforcement matter? Why isn't a table enough? When you look at a table, you see numbers. When you look at a 3D model, you see load path. As a senior engineer, when I look at a structure in 3D, I want to know what is the load path. Visualizing reinforcement required isn't just about looking good, it's about catching errors and optimizing sections. Let's look at how this actually works. It is incredibly simple. Here I have a standard RCC structure modeled and designed in STAAD. Normally, to check the steel here, you'd have to select these members individually. Instead, watch this. I have my members selected in STAAD. Now, I simply switch over to BeamUI. I click this one button, Show 3D Model. BeamUI instantly reads the active selection from STAAD, and there you go. The entire frame is shown. You can rotate, zoom, and pan just like you are used to. But look at the data. The beams are rendered in green, the columns are rendered in red. For the beams, it gives us exactly what we need for detailing. It mimics the ETABS Style Display. You can see the required area of steel ST displayed at 3 zones: the left support, the mid span, and the right support. Now look at the columns. BeamUI simplifies this by showing the longitudinal reinforcement area required. You can instantly see the reduction in steel demand as you go from the ground floor to the top floor. If you are grouping multiple columns, this can help you. You can group your columns visually. You are making decisions based on the whole picture, not just one member at a time. With BeamUI, speed at which you can interpret design results increases. If you are a structural engineer running a design office where STAAD is your primary tool, this is a must software. Engineering is difficult enough. Reading the results shouldn't be the hard part. BeamUI makes your design transparent and your detailing faster. Contact us if you think this tool can help you. I'd love to know what you think. Is this visual features something you've missed in STAAD? If you want to try this out, drop a comment below or check the description for details on BeamUI. Don't forget to hit like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tools that make our life as engineers easier. I'll see you in the next video.